In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create newsletter in Squarespace. We'll start right from your Squarespace account dashboard. Sign in, and if you're on the main account screen, head into your dashboard. From there, open your site by selecting Go to Website. This brings you into the site editor, where all of your pages and design tools live. On the left sidebar, choose Website, then Pages. Pick the page where you want your newsletter sign up to appear and enter edit mode for that page. We're going to add a new space for the sign up so it fits cleanly into your layout. Add a section and choose a blank section. A section is a horizontal content area, and starting blank gives you full control over spacing, alignment, and the exact elements you add. Inside that new section, click to add a block. Blocks are the individual content elements you drop into sections. Open the display category, then choose the newsletter block. You can now drag and drop the newsletter block to position it where it makes the most sense, above the footer, below your hero, or anywhere it supports your content flow. As a quick tip, placing it after valuable content often improves signups because visitors have context for why they should subscribe. Now let's configure it. With the newsletter block selected, open Edit, then go to the Content tab. Start with the form name. This is internal. Use something descriptive so you can recognize it later, especially if you'll have multiple forms on your site. Next, set the title. This is what visitors see, so keep it concise and benefit-driven. Think along the lines of "Get weekly tips" rather than something vague. Add a description to set expectations, how often you'll email, the type of content they'll receive, and any special incentives. Use the disclaimer field for a brief privacy note, something that reassures subscribers you won't share their information. Then set the button text. Make it clear and action-oriented, like "subscribe" or "join now," so there's no confusion about what happens when they click. If you want to personalize submissions, toggle on Show Name field. Collecting a first name can help you tailor future messages, but keep in mind that shorter forms often convert better. Choose the option that matches your goals. Switch to the Design tab to align the look with your brand. Here you can refine layout, spacing, and styling so the form feels native to your page rather than an add-on. Consistent fonts, colors, and button styles go a long way toward building trust and improving conversions. Next, open the Storage tab. This controls where new subscriber information is sent. Choose Squarespace if you want to keep everything in your site's ecosystem, and use built-in email tools later. Use the back arrow to return, then explore other storage options to see additional integrations. You'll find connections like Google Drive, which can automatically log signups into a spreadsheet for simple record keeping. Zapier, which can route subscribers to thousands of apps for advanced automation, and MailChimp, which is great if you already manage lists and campaigns there. Choose the destination that matches your workflow and existing tools. If you're unsure, starting with Squarespace is a safe default, and you can adjust later without rebuilding the block. When your content, design, and storage settings look good, save your changes, saving locks in the edits on the page. Then exit the editor to return to your page's overview. At this point, your newsletter signup is placed, configured, and connected, ready to begin collecting subscribers. A couple of closing tips as you finalize. Make sure your title clearly communicates the value of subscribing, keep the description honest and brief, and use button text that matches your brand voice. If your site has multiple audience segments, clear naming on the form will help you manage lists down the road. And remember, you can always revisit the block to tweak wording, design, or storage as your email strategy evolves. That's it. Your newsletter in Squarespace is set up and ready to go.